So in this video we will see that how to calculate the standard deviation with an example. So calculating the standard deviation is a statistical measure that helps you to understand the dispersion of spread of data points in a data set. Okay, so we will see step one. First, you need to collect your data, as previously we discussed that how we find mean and variance. Okay, so first let's suppose that you have this type of data sets like 85, 90, 80, and then some numbers. So firstly you need to find the mean, which I have previously discussed in the video, so please subscribe our channel for the latest upcoming videos. So first you need to gather your data, collect your data. So find the mean firstly. So how we can find mean? That sum of all the numbers with the number of uh, that's number of how many numbers that you have, number of values. So this is the mean, 88. Now the step 3, which is calculate the square difference from the mean. Okay, so let's suppose that you have this number 85 here, and you need to subtract the mean from it and square it. Okay, that suppose you have 90, so you will 90 minus subtracted from the mean of that and then square. So whatever the values you will get, like we have 940 like here. Now calculate the average of the square of differences. So now suppose these numbers are like our given data set. So now we will find the mean of these numbers. So sum of these numbers and number of are 6. So the simply, which is 29.67, rounded to 2 decimal places, because we don't need up to 3 or 4 because it is too large or complex solutions. So we need to simply use 2 decimal up to, if any. But if this is directly divisible, so we will get a direct neutral number, which is like a whole number. We don't get any fractional number or decimal parts. So now the step 5 says that the calculate the square root of the average. Like take the square root of the mean of square difference, which is we got 29.67. Okay, so we need to find the square root of that number, which is mean of square differences, 29.67. So standard deviation, which this number is not directly a perfect square root. Okay, so we need to suppose it like that. You need to find the square root of any number, well, like by division method or by something different methods. So let's suppose you have 29.67. Okay, so let's suppose if this number is, like, suppose we have a number 25. So what is the square root of that number? Yes, easily 5. Okay, so 25 like 29 is greater than the 25. Okay, so the square root of this 5 is something greater than the 5, so like 5.45. So you need to basically you need to learn the basic concept of how can we find the square root of the decimal part. Okay, so this is approximately to 5.45, which is again we rounded to 2 decimal places. So this is the final standard deviation of our test scores. Test scores is what? Our given data set. So approximately 5.45. So this is the fastest way to calculate the standard deviation. With an example, we already see that how can we find this. So thank you guys for watching this video. But again, once more announcement is that if you want any paid assignment of any university or something, so you need to contact us on this given number, which is shown below on your screen. So thank you guys for watching this video. Keep supporting, keep loving, stay healthy.